People waving Confederate flags have greeted President Barack Obama as he arrived at his hotel in Oklahoma. As his motorcade rolled into Oklahoma City on Wednesday night, about 10 rebel flags were in the crowd, alongside some U.S. flags. Critics of the emblem, used in battle by Southern states in the U.S. Civil War, say it is a symbol of slavery. A backlash against the flag has grown since a gunman killed 9 black people at a church Bible study last month. Dylan Roof, who was charged with the killings, was pictured holding the flag. The incident comes a week after the flag was removed from the grounds of the South Carolina State Capitol grounds in Columbia, after years of bitter argument. Large retailers like Walmart have also been clearing their shelves of any trace of the emblem. But some of the flag wavers told local newspaper Tulsa World that the flags were not a racial thing but merely in protest. Supporters of the flag often say it is not racist, merely a part of Southern heritage. There were also people holding U.S. flags and signs supporting the president. People took to social media to express how they felt about the contentious flag flying upon Mr. Obama's arrival, saying the actions of a few do not represent the people of Oklahoma. Others shrugged it off and said the U.S. president has dealt with this kind of thing before. Others called flying the flags supporting Oklahoma heritage. Mr. Obama is in Oklahoma to visit El Reno Federal Correctional Institution, which will make him the first sitting president to visit a federal prison.